Houston, we have a problem.
Well, how do you know we have a problem?
The data is telling us it's a performance issue. We aren't meeting 3 of the 4 goals. Here, look for yourself.
Well, metrics don't lie. Do you know why we're not meeting our metrics?
No, we've tried several changes, but they don't fix the problem.
Well, why don't you form a team to take a closer look at the data to determine the root cause of the process deficiency? Now remember, our goal is to be on time, all the time, every time. This problem is quickly developing into a project. Not to worry though. This is something that can be resolved with continuous process improvement, or CPI.
I never thought my problem could morph into something so big like CPI. That word makes me nervous.
Well, don't be nervous. CPI is the foundation of how we should be conducting our business. We want it to be part of our DNA. I'm just glad you brought this to my attention. We can now work towards a solution.
Great. When do we start?
Okay, Jason, I'll need your help to analyze the process steps and to get to the root of the problem. Also, I want you to begin using the DLA Caper system for tracking our progress.
Caper? Isn't that a plant?
Yeah, it is. However, in DLA, we use a system called Caper. It's the CPI Administrative Project Event Repository, where all CPI projects are tracked and monitored. It's really easy to use. Now remember, the system is only as good as the data provided. Therefore, it's important to ensure that Caper is updated often and with the latest information.
Great. Hey guys, remember that process performance issue I was telling you about last week?
Yeah.
Well, I've been given a green light to take a closer look. Here's a signed charter. Since this impacts you, I'd like you to be part of the team that identifies a solution. Can you help?
Yes, absolutely.
You have all my support.
Thanks again for agreeing to support the CPI effort. Audrey, would you be our scribe and document the findings on an A3 chart?
A3 chart? That seems complicated. What is that?
An A3 chart documents the life of a CPI project. It provides all the information needed to tell the project story in one easy-to-read page. It's really easy. As a matter of fact, you don't have to be a PowerPoint ready to develop. You can easily write the information into the template.
Sure, I'll scribe. Where do we start?
Let's begin by evaluating the current process and analyze the steps. Alex, look. This could be the area causing a performance issue. Seems that in step 2, there's a lot of wait time preventing us from on-time deliverable.
Huh, I never thought about that. Let's get to the root cause of delays and see how we can fix the process.
Wow, you mean to tell me that all of that waiting was for an ink signature? Why is their signature required in ink? Is it a policy or is it a control?
It is not a control, but it isn't a DLA policy. However, DoD policy does not require it. You think we can update our policy to reflect this change?
Absolutely. Let's share our findings and recommendations with Tina. And as you can see here, by changing a step and updating the policy, we can improve the process and ensure we are on time every time.
Okay, great work, team. Wait time is waste time. I'll need the team to present the project results to the champion after it's implemented.
So as you can see here, we're now able to accomplish this in 12 days, 8 days better than our goal.
Thanks for coming in, guys. The team did a really great job, and we've been able to get 4 out of 4 metrics running smoothly, which means better service for our customers. I can't wait to bring this good news to the next staff meeting. Please prepare an executive summary of your project so I can share with leadership. Also, don't forget to update Caper so we can capture the improvement data. Keep up the great work. Good job, team.
I believe in continuous process improvement. Every significant success that I've been part of as a general officer, as a senior leader, is rooted in continuous process improvement.